Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Makatering Kampanar. I am 37 years of age. I'm from Mindanao, Philippines, but I stay now in Kuwaiti. I am single. I am college graduate. I graduated BSc Nursing in the year 2009. I worked before in Kuwait for 9 years and 10 months with the same employer. I took good care with the person with disability. I do some house chores, but my priority is to look after her. And I'm also work in Qatar for 3 years with the same employer. And also I took good care for children age 1.5 years old, 2.5 years old, 4 years old, and 6 years old. I do some cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing clothes. And I'm willing to learn more experience. And I'm hoping that you consider me to work in your wonderful family.